everybody, welcome back to our channel. So here's another edition of my outfit on a dime, or style on a dime, and I'm going to share with you what I'm wearing today to work. It's Monday, May 21st, and somebody is barking in the house because we won't let her out, and Mom is getting ready to go to work. So I thought I'd share with you my outfit of the day. Okay, so what I'm wearing is I'm wearing one of my cardigans that I got from the Goodwill, the black cardigan. It has the kind of crocheted look a little bit, and what I had to do was, it will not stay closed. I actually took a hair clip and threaded it through one of the crocheted holes to the other side, and I actually clipped it together. Beneath that, I'm wearing just a regular sundress that I actually got for free from a cousin of mine. So the sundress was free, the cardigan was $4.89, and then the shoes that I'm wearing are these. They're not actual lace-ups; they just are faux lace-ups, but they zip in the back, and they are my non-West shoes that I got from the consignment shop for $1. So this is my outfit of the day. The same jewelry that I wore yesterday is the same jewelry I'm wearing again today. Got these pieces from Walmart. I just added in a silver watch and another silver bracelet to give that chunky jewelry effect. So pretty much this is my outfit. I just have on a couple of rings, but this is my outfit of the day.